Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Got some more parts from Amazon today. I thought, I'm not even sure what it is, to be honest with you. Thought we'd open the box and find out together. So as if you watched the last episode, we did get the motherboard in the computer. I also did a little bit of work on the wiring. Added the wiring for the I/O in front, the audio, and the USB-C. Added the wiring. I guess it's all just for the I/O. I haven't hooked any of the fans or anything up to the motherboard yet. Not sure exactly how I'm going to do that yet. But let's open this box and see what we got. I ordered a bunch of stuff and it's coming in 3 different orders. I ordered the Arctic AIO cooler. I ordered the 750 watt EVGA power supply, and then a couple other things. I ordered 3 more fans, RBG fans. So let's see what we got in here. All right. Looks like we got the RGB fans from Antec, 120 RGB case fan. So maybe we can start putting those in. I'm going to put 2 on the bottom, 1 on the back, and then I'll have 2 fans on top. That's going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fans on this. That's probably overkill. We'll just have to wait and see. Maybe I'll hold 2 of these fans and put them on that Arctic in case I want RGB. How much were they? That's a good question. I'm going to, I think it was like $24.99 or something like that. I guess I should have made sure I was ready before I started this video. I think is what I'll do. I'll go ahead and start the video over again. Shut your cameras off, and I'll get the prices off Amazon, so I know exactly what I paid for everything, so I can share that with you. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got some prices for the Antec fans. For 3 of them, I paid $24.99, so about $8 a piece. Let's open them up, see what they look like. Okay. I'm not sure. Some of them are 3-pin, I think, because the connections that I have in the back must be for the RGB 3-pin. Or I'm going to have to, well, they got this in a big old tangled up here. That was real smart of them. They got this, well, look at this wiring. I think they could have taped it together or something so that they didn't get all tangled up in shipping. Come on, Antec, you can do better than that. Okay, there's one right there. Okay, Antec. Feel pretty good. Got 2 wires coming off. One's 4-pin, and the other one is a 3-pin. So I'm going to have to figure that out. I've got 3 wires on the back of the computer. That is also 3 pins. And I'm not sure if that's RGB or speed. I'm going to have to do some research, I guess, and hit YouTube again and find out what's going on. Okay, I bought some splitters. They're 4-pin splitters for the 3 fans. I got two of them for $6.99, which not bad at all. So just splitters in case I need them. And then this box, I believe, is something that I hopefully is going to improve the quality of my videos, if that's even possible. Anyways, what it is right now I have a homemade clamp that's holding my overhead camera, which is my phone, Samsung Note 10. But it's kind of wanky and kind of jerry-rigged. I'll take a picture of it and show it to you when I edit this video. But I went ahead and ordered a regular tripod for a phone camera that connects to the desk. It has a clamp. And I'm hoping, because I know I got this overhead light, and when I'm working on the computer I'd really like to have the light, but I think it's washing me out a little bit with the front camera. So I'm hoping what I can do is move this light to where it's not washing me out on the front camera, and then use this on the desk for the overhead. It's got a clamp on it. I'm assuming this goes in the clamp. And then there should be something else that clamps the phone. I've got this little thing right here. I don't know if that fell out somewhere. I don't know where. It's got one right there. Okay. These loosen up so you can move that around where you want to. Same with this. There must be another piece in the box yet. But you just take it and clamp it to the table. I can clamp it like maybe right here, like this. I hope that camera's picking this up. I can just clamp it on there like that. That feels pretty solid. Then you just stick that in there, I guess. Actually, I probably have it upside down. That would make more sense because this hole up here is smaller and fits in there here like a sleeve. So you want it up this way, which would make more sense. That gets clamped on there like that. And that goes on there. Just like that. But there's got to be another piece in it. Yeah, right here. And this must be for the phone. Looks like clamp that down so it stays. It's supposed to anyway. I'm going to have to use a little piece of wood because I'm not getting clamped on here very well, because this table has an edge on it, and so it's not reaching actually the bottom of the table. I'm hanging on this little edge right here. But this, I'm sure, let's just take it off. I figure out what that one thing is for. But this is for your phone. Got two little pads right here, I guess for protection. And I believe it's, yeah, spring loaded. Is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this camera off here and we'll set it up and see how it works. Let me get it set up and I'll turn the camera back on. Okay, I thought I'd shoot some video and show you what I've been using to hold my phone to take these overhead shots in these videos. I went out to the garage and found a bunch of pieces and clamped them to the bar here. And it's just a bunch of odds and ends that I found in my junk drawer. And then this piece here is actually a wood clamp for woodworking. And it's all made out of plastic and it's got rubber feet and stuff on it, so I'm not damaging my phone at all. The bar that's going across there is not on my screen. As you can see, it misses the screen. I got a screen protector on it anyway, but so far at least this worked until I could find something else. Okay, and that's what I've been using. Okay, got it all attached. It is attached to the table. Seems pretty sturdy. I think that's going to work. I'm actually moving the whole table instead of the thing there. And that way I got this light overhead, so when I back up now, that light shouldn't wash me out. So I think that's going to work. I think that was worth, what, $12.99 I paid for that? That's not bad at all. Okay, we got it all set up. I think that is better. It might still be washing me out a little bit. I want the light on the table. I think that's better right there. I'll see what in post-production how it looks. I know that last video, that light, when I was putting the motherboard and stuff in the computer, that light was kind of washing me out pretty bad. So I may have to do something else. Not real sure yet. But anyway, I think I'll go ahead and put this one fan back here on the back side. I don't think it's going to hurt anything to put that in there. I don't think it'll be in the way. I'm going to wait to do the two bottom ones here until I get the AIO and stuff in, to make sure I've got room and stuff for it. But anyway, that's going to be it for now. It's going to be a short video. I'll be getting more stuff in within the next couple of days, and we'll be unboxing the AIO and the power supply. I think that are the last two items that I have to put in this computer. I'm not going to buy a new GPU. I can't rob a bank to pay for it. They wouldn't take me seriously if I tried. So I'm going to take my GPU, which is a 2070. I think it is a gigabyte. No, it's not. It's an Aurorus gigabyte. I'm not sure actually. But anyway, I'm taking that GPU out of the computer and I'm putting it in this one. I haven't decided about the hard drive yet. I've got this M.2 500 gig M.2 in here. I keep going back and forth. I think I'm just going to put that hard drive in this computer, get it running on Windows and everything, and then clone everything on that hard drive to the new one. And I may just go ahead and just leave it in here to give me some extra space. I haven't decided yet. When I'm done with everything, I get everything working and running, I'm going to take that computer, the case and the motherboard and CPU and power supply and everything, and either piece it out and sell it on Craigslist or sell it all together as one unit. But it'll probably be missing the GPU for sure, unless I can find a cheap one somewhere to throw in it, and maybe a hard drive. I might take an old hard drive or something I got laying around and put an old hard drive in it, just to see it's got a hard drive in it. But I haven't decided yet, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. We'll check y'all later. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, share. I don't have Facebook, Twitter, or any of those social media crap. That's what they are. I don't do social media. I'm a private person, although I do YouTube videos. I still, I had some bad experiences with Facebook, and I don't do any kind of social media. So please, if you like my videos or have some suggestions or something, give me a comment in the comments and I'll be sure to reply back, okay? We'll see you next time.